In this video, let's study about conditional statements. Conditional statements help you to make decisions based on certain condition. These conditions are specified by a set of statements having Boolean expression. There are different types of conditional statements: if statement, if else, nested if else if ladder, and switch statement. Let's look at each conditional statement and their syntax. If statement. A single if statement is used to execute the code if a condition is true. So this is the syntax, and in the flowchart we have a if condition. If the condition satisfies, we'll be executing the code inside the if block. If else statement. The if else statement is used to execute the code if condition is true or false. And this is our syntax of the if else. And in the flow chart, if a condition is satisfied and if the condition matches and it is true, then we'll be executing the code inside the if block. Else, we'll be going to the else block and executing the statements inside the else block. Nested if else. The nested if else statement is used when a program requires more than one test expression. So this is the syntax of nested if else, where we'll be having multiple expressions to be validated before executing the statement. So in the flowchart, we have first expression which is validated, and if it's true, we'll be entering the block and we'll be validating for one more expression before executing the statements inside the block. If the first statement is false, then we'll be going and executing the statements in the else block. If else if ladder. The if else if statement is used to execute multiple conditions, and this is a syntax of our if else if. Let's look at the flowchart, where we have the first if condition. If the expression matches, then we'll be entering into the particular block and we'll be executing the statement. If the first expression is false, then we'll be validating for the next if else to check whether that condition has been satisfied. If that is true, then we'll be entering into that particular block and executing the statements inside else if block. If not, the default one is an else block. Over here, when none of the conditions are satisfied, we'll be entering the else block and execute the statements inside the else block and continue. Switch statement. Switch statement acts as an alternative to if else if ladder. This is the syntax of switch statement, where we have an expression and a case value. If a specific case value is matched with an expression, automatically that particular statements will be executed. So let's look at the flowchart, where we have a switch with an expression and we have a case blocks. If the expression matches with the specific case block, the statements inside the particular block will be executed. We have a default block in this, where default values will be set.